Hi to all. I am Murugan, Associate Professor of Tribute Department. Today I am going to carry single phase auto rectifier. Actually, the rectifier is nothing but fixed DC, fixed AC supply to DC supply. The rectifier is nothing but fixed AC supply to variable DC supply. This is a simple circuit diagram for single phase auto rectifier. The circuit diagram consists single thyristors feeding a DC power to resistive load. Actually, for ACR is like a set switch. When that an ACR can connect only on is connect only for on voltage is positive and gate signal is applied. Without gate signals, the ACR cannot be turned on. During the positive cycle, the ACR is connected to the AND is connected to phase terminal. During the positive cycle, the base positive with respect to neutral. So during the positive cycle, the ACR will be forward biased, but it need be gate signal. So when we are applying the gate signal, is applied between some delay angle. That gate signal is applied between some delay angle. That angle is called as a firing angle. That instant is called as alpha. While applying the gate signal, the ACRs will be conduct. Now that input voltage appear across the load. So at what time at what instant we are applying the gate signal, that this is for gate signal IG. Now that output voltage is equal to input voltage. So in that instant, what output voltage is appear, that this is for from alpha to pi. During the period of alpha to pi, the V naught is equal to Vs. So now that input voltage appear across during the period of alpha to pi. Now that output current I naught is also in phase with voltage because of the load is resistive load. So the current but the magnitude of current value is equal to V naught divided by R. The maximum value of current is equal to V naught divided by R. During the second half cycle, that is in the second half cycle, base negative, first half cycle base positive with respect to neutral. For second half cycle base negative and neutral is positive. So the second half cycle is ACR is reverse biased, so it will be turned off. So now that here there is no current flow through the load. So in the second half cycle, that output voltage is 0, as it is same as that output current is also 0. Again the third half cycle is repeated. Actually, the third half cycle is positive cycle. The positive cycle plays positive and with respect to neutral. So ACR is forward biased. At in what instant we are applying the gate pulse. So periodically gate pulse is applied. Again that input voltage is appear across the output. The same as that input, the output current is also in phase with output voltage. Is for 2 pi plus alpha. From pi to pi 0, from 2 pi plus alpha to 3 pi, that output voltage is equal to input voltage with the same interval. That is alpha to pi. Again the fourth of cycle is negative cycle. The negative cycle base negative, neutral is positive. So the ACR is reverse biased, it will be again open. So that output voltage, when switch will be open, the ACR is turned off, the output current and output voltage will be 0. Next, the average output voltage is equal to V average is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi, that is for total period, total time, and integrate of alpha to pi, that is for Vs T omega of Tt. The Vs is nothing but source voltage, that is for sinusoidal waveform. The sinusoidal waveform is represented by Vm sin omega t. So that 1 divided by 2 pi, that integrate of alpha to pi, Vs equal to Vm sin omega t and T omega t. Now finally the integrate value is equal to Vm divided by 2 pi 1 plus cos alpha. This is for average output voltage of the DC waveform. Now the average output current I average is equal to similar to V naught divided by R. But as is a thyristor, here blocks the flow of current until it is triggered. So while trigger and partial cycle, the thyristor is closed. The input voltages appear across load. When negative cycle, then during the reverse bias, it will be open. The output voltage is 0. Okay, thank you.